4 reasons to go keto now. Many people put off starting their new diet, thinking it'll be hard and challenging. Starting next Monday becomes a mantra for many, but Monday rolls around and nothing has changed. Stop with this endless cycle of empty promises by going keto today. It is much easier than you think and will benefit your body immediately. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you 4 reasons to go keto now. 1. Replace fuel source. On a regular diet, most energy sources come from glucose, not ketones. Glucose uses insulin as a transport structure and passes the blood-brain barrier. Because of the insulin transport structure, it can make it difficult for certain people to get effective fuel while fueling their bodies on glucose. When you go on a keto diet, however, you use ketones as your energy source. Ketones do not use insulin as a transport structure, but they pass the blood-brain barrier. This allows all of the body to be fueled without excessive insulin release. 2. Helps maintain diabetes and prediabetes. Diabetes and prediabetes are a leading health issue in the world. Similar to diabetics, prediabetics have elevated blood sugar levels, but the levels are not high enough to be diagnosed as diabetic. A keto diet reduces insulin resistance and promotes improved blood glucose control. This means that people with diabetes and prediabetes will have fewer complications related to eye issues, foot problems, kidney disease, neuropathy, and heart disease. The reason that keto diets are great for diabetics and prediabetics is because of their fuel source. If you eat foods with more fat than carbohydrates, ketones become your fuel source, not glucose. Since ketones don't use insulin as a transport structure, you can still have an ample fuel source. All the while, your blood sugar levels are allowed to level more naturally. 3. Keeps you feeling full. Fats take much longer to digest than carbs. As a result, you feel full longer when you're on a keto diet. You can also eat bigger portions since you'll eat less throughout the day as a whole. Not to mention, keto diets are filled with yummy foods like bacon and avocados that are enjoyable to eat and leave you feeling satisfied. When you switch to a keto diet, you don't have to worry about feeling hungry or starving yourself as a result. The fact that you will stay full is a great reason to start your keto diet today. 4. Decreases inflammation. A little bit of inflammation is good. It acts as a natural defense mechanism for your body's immune system. However, if your body is constantly inflamed, it can become a chronic condition that causes more harm than good. Glucose and insulin are both linked to increased inflammatory response. This means that diets higher in glucose resulting in greater insulin cause an increased inflammatory response. When you switch to a keto diet, your body experiences less inflammation. This allows the immune system to return to a normal level so that its resources can address actual immune threats. Since your immune system can target actual threats, your immunity increases. Key takeaways. Stop putting off going on your keto diet. Switching to a keto diet will help you replace your fuel source, keep you feeling fuller longer, and decrease inflammation. Diabetics and prediabetics will especially benefit from a keto diet since it does not require insulin as a transporter. So what are you waiting for? Start your keto diet now.